Hello friends, this is Hardik and you are watching Hardik CAD Cam. So in this lecture we are making this model in Fusion 360. Very simple model and all the dimensions are over here. Let's start with the new design. First of all, what will we do? We will create the base of this model. Okay. So first of all, we will create a new sketch and we will select this top plane. Now for the base dimensions, we will first of all make a square of 40 by 40. Okay. So first start with the rectangle command. The shortcut for the rectangle command is R, and we will click on the origin and we will write down 40 tab 40 and enter. Now we got the square. Now we will create two circles, 20 mm and 20 mm diameter. So we will create two circle. For circle, shortcut is C, or you can click on the toolbar too. We will click on the midpoint of this line and we will click over here. That will give us a 40 mm of diameter circle, and we will create another circle from the same origin of 20 mm diameter. So now we got two circles. Now we will trim out unnecessary lines. For trim command, the shortcut is T. We will click over here, here and here and here. Now our base sketch is ready. Now we will extrude it. For that we will finish sketch and we will extrude it. First of all, we will find out the thickness of the base, that is 10 mm. Okay, so we will extrude it. For extrusion, shortcut is E. We will click on this section and we will write down 10 and enter. Now our base is ready. Now we will create this part. Okay, for that we will get dimensions from here. Okay, so first of all, we will create a new sketch and we will select this plane. Now the height of this model is 40 mm and width is also 40 mm. So we will create a square of 40 by 40. So for that we will use the rectangle command. The shortcut is R, or you can click over here too. We will click on the origin and we will write down 40 tab 40 and enter. Now we will create two circles like this. Okay, so for that the shortcut is C. We'll click on any random point over here and we will write down 40, enter, and we will create another circle from the same origin of 20 mm diameter. Now we will place this circle perfectly. Okay, so for that we will constrain this sketch and we will use the tangent constraint, and we will click on this circle and this line, again this circle and this line. Now the circles are perfectly placed. Now we will trim out unnecessary parts. For that the shortcut is T and we will click on this line and this line. Now we will create a line from this point to this point. Okay, and now I will trim out these lines too. Okay, now we got our sketch. We will extrude it. So for extrusion, now we need a step like this over here. So we will first of all extrude this part and then we will extrude this part. Okay, for extrude the shortcut is E. We will select this part and we will extrude it 10 mm, enter. Now we need that sketch that hidden. Okay, so for that we will expand the sketches folder and we will unhide it. Okay, now we will extrude this part 20 mm. So we will write down 20, and in operation make sure that you selected join. Okay, because we need to join this part with the body. So okay, and we will now hide the sketch and our model is ready. Very simple kind of model, and make this model on your own. And if you find any difficulty, then let me know in the comment section. And I have a course on Udemy about Fusion 360, animated engine model design in Fusion 360. The link for this course is in the description. And if you want this course free of cost, then please let me know in the mail. Please mail me. The email ID is given on the description. Mail me your reason why you want this course free of cost. If you can't afford this, then I will give you a free coupon to this course. I will gift you this course.